Hello guys, I'm back. Anyways, I made to talk a little low like this a few times or so. Buttercup, go get out of the camera. Get out of the camera. Duh. Getting on to. Well, I've done another invert colors challenge. Oh, it is possible to reach the +10 thing. And my thing crashed. Like it always does, apparently now. Well, you might as well watch it. Hunting. Okay, as you can see, I'm Snow. I'm not gonna play local. Hopefully, it won't crash. I'm sorry, I'm reading something. Okay, I'm sorry. I spam. Apparently, I spam now. Oh my god, hurry up loud. Anyways, yeah, gold star is blue as you can see. Oh, somebody left a vampire. Damn it. Wait, are they eating it? They better eat it. Yeah, he's eating line. Hang on, people. Let me... Stupid bitch. Hang on. It's really hard doing this right now. Imposter. Imposter. Sorry, as you can see, is a lot more. Yeah, who gives a shit, Angel King? Male. You're not an Angel King male because you're an idiot. I'm sorry, hang on. I am recording. Oh, my name appears red now. It's awesome. Nice. Keep laughing. Hang on, I can't do this for now. Say hey to YouTube. Hacker 2015 says hi. I keep laughing out. Hi. King says, what's up, YouTube? Okay, I don't have to read it then. Da, 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 da. Hi, hi, hi. I love you, YouTube. So. Okay, let me make sure. I think that's all. Yeah. Oh god, you don't want to know. Shit. Okay, Oh my god, I might want to turn chat off. Oh my god. Invert color challenge. Da 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 da. Okay, sorry guys, but I mean, I wanted to be sure that we kind of get in on this and at least have some fun. But I need a recording app. Comment down below if you have one so I won't use my phone all the time and you see my fingers and all. Please do that, okay? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be uploading this video soon. And hopefully it will not download, upload. Anyways, I'll be back again today, hopefully, with another video. Anyways, bye.